Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are doing a paycheck stuffing video. So we did get paid this week and we are going to be going over our bills. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes, seeing how much money we have for leftovers, and also we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds. So we have $800 that we are actually going to be stuffing today, which is super exciting because a part of the paycheck, we did get a bonus, which technically it evens out because technically I didn't get a bonus because they still took like $1,500 out of my check, which is fine. But that covers like taxes, insurance, 401k, Roth IRA. So all of that is factored in there. So I'm not too worried about it. So we are going to be stuffing $800 and a lot of it is going to be going towards the vacation for Disney. So I'm super excited about that. I want to knock out one of our challenges soon. So we are going to be working towards that. But anyway, so this is what we're doing today. If you are enjoying this video so far, which is only like a minute long, consider subscribing if you are new to my channel. I would love for you to come and join our family. We have a lot of fun on Saturdays and also on Tuesdays whenever we do the money challenges and I do giveaways and everything. So those are always fun to, you know, play along and everything. So first off, we are going to be doing our bills. So like I said, we have $800. Now, none of this $800 is going to be going towards bills. I already calculated everything out. These are strictly for the cash envelopes and the sinking funds. So bills for house, we transferred $218. For car, we did $166. Phone, we did $100. Capital One, this is debt, so we are putting $300 towards debt this week. Chase, we are not putting anything towards that. Insurance is going to be $50. And then light bill is going to be $72. So we're just going to add up everything for that. So $218 plus $166 plus 100 plus 300 plus 50 plus 72. So that's $906 towards bills this week. Now, in June, we are going to be still continuing our debt journey, knocking off as much as possible. But after June, we are going to be focusing on Disney for July and August because we do have to pay the remaining balance 30 days before we head out. So we need to do that. So in June, we're going to pay off as much as we can with Capital One. So hopefully with our eBay, and then I think we're doing an egg roll order soon. So that will go towards that as well. And I'm also selling some things like some books and stuff locally. So hopefully that will give me some extra money as well. So moving on, I'm just going to flip to the sinking funds, but we are going to be doing our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes are going to be in this binder, which if you are new to this binder, you can get it off of Amazon.com. The link should be down below. I do get a little commission, but honestly, I think I signed up maybe like 2 years ago and I don't even look at it, to be honest. Like it's maybe like 2 cents or something like that. All right, so first off, groceries. We're going to see how much we have left over. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So that is $20. And this is actually going to be going towards our $5 challenge because we are so close to finishing it. So $5 challenge is going to be going towards this on Tuesday. So you want to be aware of that. So groceries is going to be getting $100, 2, 40, 60, 80, and 1. So 20, 40, 60, 81. And that is for 2 weeks. Now gas, I have $20 left over and we are going to be putting $100 as well. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 1. And then fun, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $4, and Fun is going to be getting $100 as well. And I will break this whenever we get into our sinking funds. So that is it, you guys. So we have 100 in groceries, 100 in gas, and 100 in fun money. So that is typically what I do. And then I do also have a cushion fund, which a cushion fund is pretty much just my debit card in case, you know, I run out of money on here, or I buy something on Amazon, or, you know, I bought a gift online for one of my friends for a bridal shower. So I just use my debit card, and then I just subtract it from that. So moving on to sinking funds, which is for paycheck number 2, we are going to be stuffing a lot, and it's going to be really, really fun, you guys, I promise. So for medical, we are going to be putting $40. Car maintenance is $30, and we are going to be getting an oil change soon. Renewals, we're going to be putting $40 in because I do have my tag renewal coming up, and I think I need to renew my like membership. Not my certification. I already did that. I just need to do my membership for like the association of like scrub tech. So I'm going to have to do that. Special occasion is going to be getting $40 because we only have this week and the next paycheck until we are done with the wedding stuff. So I still need to pay for my dress alteration, pay for the hair and makeup, pay for shoes, all that stuff. Vacation is going to be getting $300. Home is getting $10. Christmas will be getting $5, which I'm not too worried about Christmas. And then beauty is going to be getting $5. And then Dobby is going to be getting $30. So we are going to go ahead and add all of that together. So we have 40 plus 30 plus 40 plus 40 plus 300 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus and 30. $500 is how much we are going to be stuffing today. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and get started. So car maintenance is going to be getting $40. And we are going to do this, which we are going to break it as well. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So this is $100, and we're just going to change it out for 100. So I have 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, and 75. So $75 for medical, which I don't think I do. Well, this is not medical. This is car maintenance. Car maintenance. Why is medical first? Let's see. Car maintenance. Man, I just need to switch it around. Sorry, guys. So we are doing 20, 40, 60, 81. Let's see. 20, 40. There it goes. Let's put this back. Totally just messed up. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 130, 135. So 235. Yep, so that's right. So let's start over. I don't know why I put, maybe I did something else. Oh, that is because I think I took it out because I needed to get medicine for my medication. So that's probably it. That's probably why I switched it around. Okay, so let's start over. So medical is going to be getting $40, which 20, 40, 60, 80. So we're gonna do 40. We're gonna switch it out. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Just make some smaller bills. So medical is going to be getting 100, 200, 150, 200, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So $223. Moving on to maintenance one more time. We are going to be putting $30 instead. So we are going to do 20 and 30. Mm, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How about that? Maybe that will work. 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 20, 40, 60, and 65. So $265. And that is going to be going towards car maintenance. Moving on to renewals. Renewals is going to be getting $40. Let's see if we have, I think we can change it to 100 now. 20, 40, 60, 81, 40, 60, 81. Put another 100. There. So that is going to be getting, I didn't even count it. 100, 1, 2, and 3. So $103. Special occasion is going to be getting $40. $20, $40, $60, $81. $100 towards special occasion. Vacation is going to be last. Home is getting $10. $100, 10, 20, and 25. Oops. Moving on to Christmas, which Christmas we already have $500 in Ibotta. So we are just adding $5. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, and 26. So we have $526 is how much I am going to be adding to that. Beauty is going to be getting $5 as well. $20, $40, $60, $70, $75, $80, $85, $90, $91, and $92. So $92, which I think I'm just going to do, because my hair and makeup's going to equal to $60, so I'm going to add a tip, which is probably going to be $40 because I usually tip. I usually do tip pretty good, so I'm probably going to just do an even 100, to be honest. And then Dobby is going to be getting $20. I mean, $30. $2, $40, $60, $80, nope, $20, $40, $60, $70, $75, $80, $81, $82, $83, $84, $85, $86, and $87. So $87 for Dobby. And then last but not least, we are going to be doing vacation, which I am actually going to redo renewal. And I'm actually going to take this $100 and put the 20s in. 20, 40, 60, 81. Because I do have separate stuff that I do have to pay with renewal, so it only makes sense. And then vacation is getting $300. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, and 5, 10, 11, and 12. So we have $12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. $912. So that is right there. And we're going to go ahead and put that back in the envelope. And we are going to add how much we have in sinking funds so far. Plus 265, plus 103, plus 100, plus 912, plus 125, plus 526, plus 3, plus 92, plus 87. So we have $2,433. So that is how much we have in sinking funds, and then we have $300 in cash envelopes. And then leftover money we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So we have $44 in leftover money. So that is really good. That is going to be going towards the money challenges coming up on Tuesday. So that is it, you guys. That is what we did today in our video. So we paid our bills, we did our sinking funds, we stuffed our cash envelopes, and I am just extremely proud of where I am at right now, how much money we have saved so far since starting this new job, and how much debt we have been paying off, which is really, really incredible. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you so much for coming over here, hanging out with me for a good almost 20 minutes. I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge, and then next week we are going to be doing a recap, stuffing our cash envelopes again, because we are going to be, well, I'm going to show you how much I made in eBay, which is not really a lot, but it still counts. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.